Hello everyone. So now I'm getting ready for one of my most favorite races. It's the Turshet Forest Marathon by Run Buddies, and this is my bib. For the first time, I'm doing a 10 kilometer. I usually prefer doing a 21 kilometers here because it's such a lovely route and it's through the forest and through villages. But because of my ankle, I'm just don't want to strain it too much, so I'm doing a 10 kilometer. And just like the bib says, into the forest I go to lose my mind and find my soul. It truly stands to this quote because you have to experience how this race feels. It's beautiful. Most of the time it rains. Let's see how it is tomorrow. This is the 11th edition of the Turshet Forest Marathon, and I must be doing around maybe 8th or 9th edition. I must have missed a couple or 3 editions. Due to reasons I can't remember. But usually you can also go and stay there. It's in a resort. The start point is through a resort, so there are stay arrangements, but I prefer not going and staying. I leave early morning. Usually earlier editions I have always done from Mumbai because I used to live there. It is approximately similar distance from Pune. It's a little more, 102 kilometers. So I'll be probably leaving at around 3:45, so I can reach at 6. The race starts at 6:30. I have been lucky enough to get my bib in advance. The organizers are my friends, and so one of my friends, Anurag, collected the bib and he ported it to me yesterday. So now I've attached the bib on my t-shirt and I have kept my bags ready. So see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's 4 a.m. and I'm about to leave for Turshet. And on my maps, it shows around 1 hour 51 minutes to reach. So I should reach by approximately 6 a.m. and it starts at 6:30. So let's go. So I've reached Turshet, and this nature trails is the start point. My 10 kilometer is going to start at 6:30 and it's like I have 30 minutes. So I'll go to the washroom, freshen up, tie up my laces, have my gel and do my warm up. This is Bhaskar and he is 73 and he's one of my oldest friends from the running community. And Bhaskar, what do you think about Turshet?
Lucia is brilliant. It's like running in a paradise. It's so green. It's awesome. You come here for the experience. You'll be back in nature. That's it. Come and enjoy the race. It's nothing else. Don't think about podium or anything. It's awesome.
And that's his 7th edition. And man, this is my 8th edition.
Yeah.
And he has always done a half marathon. I have always done a half marathon, but this time both of us are doing a 10K.
Exactly.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की और very last night जितनी भी ताकत जितना भी दम जितना भी जोश है उसमें 2 लाख ऊपर जाने के लिए हर काउंट डाउन होने वाला है अभी 3 सेकंड में ध्यान दे सारा हमारे लेट्स गो नाउ 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2
Anurag, and he is the first. He's the winner in his age category in the 21 kilometers Durshet Marathon. So, Anurag, tell me, how do you feel about Durshet?
It's great. Like, I remember I started my running journey with running Durshet 21 back in 2018, and since then I've been coming here every year. Run Biddies is very close to the heart as well. I've
They
been
are
running a
friends.
lot of events.
Yes.
So it being a monsoon event, it being so beautiful at such a secluded location, I always make sure to run
Closer
it
to
every
nature.
year. Yes.
Correct. Yes. One of the favorites among so many runners. We love Durshet. Thank you. So I'm Amit Kumar. He's a very popular coach in Navi Mumbai, and it's his 10th year running at Durshet. Maybe he missed one edition. But Amit, आपको कैसे लगता है Durshet Marathon?
दिस इज समथिंग स्पेशल रन और यहाँ पे अलग एक माहौल है, नो नेटवर्क जोन, इसका नेचर का ब्यूटी एंड रूट वाज समथिंग क्लियर एंड रोलिंग. अभी तो रोड अच्छे बन गए, प्रीवियसली यहाँ पे मिट्टी के रोड थे, कार रोड थे, तो ज़्यादा फन था. ठीक है, और वेल और रन बडीज का इवेंट है, वेल ऑर्गेनाइज इवेंट है.
Perfect.
तो एवरी लास्ट 10 ईयर्स में इधर आ रहा हूँ.
Yes.
और
और ये इनका ग्रुप भी आता है. He
Yes,
has a
yes.
very good big group and he's a very encouraging coach. So around 20-30 लोग तो आते ही हैं.
दिस ईयर 65 प्लस है.
Oh wow, 65 people from his group. So he is a very encouraging coach, and you know why he has 65 people under him. Thank you, Amit.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Kilometer category, wheel number 1027, Sayuri, Dharmi, and Chandralaya, and Yuri Surakai.
So I'm back from Durshet Forest Marathon. It's 11:30, so another 2-hour drive and back to Pune. It was a wonderful experience. Durshet is a race every runner should try once. It's in the middle of the forest. There is no network, but you enjoy the weather, you enjoy the route. It's a little challenging for 21 kilometers, but if you are not ready for a challenge, you can always try the 10-kilometer race. And for me, it was the 8th edition. They have finished almost 11th edition, and the icing on the cake is always a podium.